We all know that new leads are essential to our business. Without a steady flow of leads, your business will suffer. Not only do we need leads, but we need qualified leads that actually have money to spend and want to work with our business. What if there was a way to accomplish that easily? What if you could generate leads for your business or your client's business that you know for a fact are qualified? Not only that, but what if you could instantly send those new leads a quote for your services so they know exactly what they will be spending? Then when that lead follows up with your business, they are already 90% of the way through the buying process. You don't have to do any selling. You have already sold them through this simple process. This is some of the easiest and most qualified lead generation you will ever do. Introducing the Rockstar Lead Machine. This is a WordPress plugin that makes it extremely easy to create instant quotes for your prospects on the fly. Imagine having this quote generator on your site or on a Craigslist ad or just about anywhere else. Your prospects would simply land on your page, request a free instant quote, and be opted into your email list all at the same time. Talk about instant gratification for your customers. I'm going to let Ben show you exactly what this plugin can do.
Let me show you this thing in action. Check it out. All you need is WordPress. You install it and boom, here it is. Right now we're selecting the orange quote button, as you can see. Okay, we have multiple styling options for creating and generating those quote buttons. But look, you select the page, you generate a short code, and you can put in different options here to let it integrate with an autoresponder and force it to collect an opt-in. We have a very clever way of doing that that is not invasive, and we'll show you that in just a second. All right, then you can set it up to where it will email that user, that person that's looking for this instant quote, it will email it to them as well. And we can even activate a range, meaning rather than just saying, okay, this pool is going to cost you $50,000, we can set up a margin of error and say, hey, your estimate is between $35,000 and $45,000. Okay, you can set that up if you want to. What goes even further is this additional message field. With that instantly generated estimate or quote, you can put any kind of call to action there. So if you're servicing local businesses or doing leads for them, you can have it, have a phone number, put any message you want there. Now, here's a very clever thing. If you're doing any kind of affiliate marketing, you can use that to push your offer. It can be a CPA offer, it can be a direct affiliate offer, it can be your own product, it can be a lot of different things, but a great example is a CPA offer. So if they're getting a pool quote, what it's going to cost to build a pool, well, wouldn't it make sense for them to possibly shop a deal on a construction loan, on a pool building loan? We've seen plenty of CPA offers just like that pay $20 to $30 every time a form is filled out. So they get this quote, and underneath it, it says, here's what it can cost you. You want to see what your monthly payment's going to be? Click here. Estimate your monthly payment. Bam, you just got a CPA offer for $30 off of something that was also generating a lead for something else. You just got two benefits from one single effort. That's what's so kick-ass about this. And so once you set these things up, which obviously, as you saw, I didn't really have to do much. Once you set that up, you set up your calculations. And guys, we have a complete tutorial on how to set this up, but it really is easy. This is telling me the cost per square foot. Okay, so 35, I put in 35. Is it gunite concrete? $50 a square foot. Is it vinyl? $25 a square foot. Okay, and I base these off of actual industry averages, and then they enter in the square footage. And so depending on which one of these they pick, it's going to multiply it by the square footage they put in. And then we can even add in another variable here for, is this a premium build that includes a spa? Well, if it is, it's going to add 25% of the price. So it's going to multiply it times 1.25. Again, this is actually really simple. I mean, we just entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. This took under 2 minutes to do once we had the data we needed, and bam. So here's what it looks like. Okay, we have it here on a sample page for you. Okay, one of our awesome Rockstar themes. I mean, look, let me actually do it because I happen to know that the average cost of a pool is around $40,000. I know that that's a fact. I've researched this heavily. So let's say, is it fiberglass pool? No. I want to build the best kind of pool there is, a concrete gunite pool, not a vinyl pool either. And I'm going to say it's 1,000 square feet. Okay, this should cost around 50 grand. All right, and I'm not going to do a premium build, just going to do just the pool. Just want a pool. All right, I'm going to submit that thing. Boom. So, you see what happened there. All right, we We did not put enter your email field in there at all. We did not input that at all. They have already filled this out, and we're telling them their quote is ready. And guys, this is optional. You don't have to do this, but what's the point if you don't, right? Once they have filled that out, they click submit, boom. What happens is this pops up, they enter in their email, and once they do, they click get instant quote, and two things happen. Once they do that, they click get instant quote, it loads up the quote and gives it to them right here on the page with any message you want. And this page is completely customizable any way you want it. They get that quote and it gets emailed to them, everything that's in here. And you customize the subject line, everything. It is a flawless system that's giving you a lead, giving you an opportunity to sell, and there's so many ways to take advantage of this. Guys, when people are coming into a site and they're looking for an instant quote, they are a hot lead, they are a hot buyer, and they are worth something. You know that, I know that, and this actually taps right into that very easily just by having this simple calculator. Guys, we've always seen how the mortgage industry has used those calculators to get lots of leads. Now, for the first time, we, as the internet marketing community, can use this for anything.
As you can see, this is a very easy to use plugin that has huge applications for your business. Not only that, but you can use this on your client sites as well so that they can start generating instant quotes for their business. Your prospects will no longer have to wait around to hear back from you. They will get a quote from your services instantly and hassle-free. Not only is this convenient for everyone, but it also builds trust with your prospects. You are telling them exactly what it will cost out the gate. No hidden charges or secretive language. You simply give out quotes and collect checks. It couldn't get much easier. But because I really believe that this product can help your business, I'm including several bonuses that are going to help you crush it with this new plugin. Bonus number 1, Social InstaQuote. In this brand new course, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Rockstar Lead Machine to start generating instant quotes for your offline business. You will be able to start generating leads on complete autopilot. Not only that, but you will be able to see right away whether or not clients can afford your services using the Rockstar Lead Machine. Bonus number 2, complete 7-day follow-up sequence. After you generate your quotes using the course above, I will give you a complete 7-day follow-up sequence that will turn that quote into real cash for your business. The secret to an offline business is in the follow-up. I will make this super simple for you. Just plug in my follow-up sequence and start generating leads. Bonus number 3, InstaQuote service offering. I'm going to show you how to use the Rockstar Lead Machine as another service offering for your clients. You will be able to install the plugin on your client's website and collect an easy $97. Your client will then be able to accept instant quotes right from their own website. This is very powerful. You get everything listed above when you purchase Rockstar Lead Machine through me. This is well over $1,000 worth of value. But I'm only going to make 50 copies of this bonus package available. Once they are gone, they're gone. So make sure that you grab this quickly when it goes live tomorrow. I'll be sending out an email at 2 p.m. Eastern when this goes live. So keep your eyes peeled and get ready to start generating instant quotes and highly targeted leads for your business.